You are probably seeing this video right now because you searched how to make 100% profit selling digital products online. Well, that's exactly what you will discover within this presentation today. Hi there, my friend. My name is Errol. I'm the owner and founder of EmpireDigest.com. And what I will be giving you access to today is a free video blueprint, the exact same one that's assisted me as a dad, as a family man, to go from financially stressed, overworked, burned out, exhausted, living with guilt that I missed my son growing up, to earning multiple figures online from the comfort of my own home. And this very same video blueprint is the same one that's assisted multiple other individuals. In actual fact, we are over 60,000 members making use of the same video blueprint right now to make multiple figures online as well. Now, your time is valuable. I don't want to waste your time. Let's get straight into it. Thanks for jumping on. Look, let's be completely real for a second. If you're working a stressful job, running around all day, and you're just flat out tired of trading every single hour of your life for a fixed paycheck, I want you to take a deep breath. Relax and hear me out. You're in the right place and you are not alone, my friend. Today we're talking about how to make 100% profit selling digital products online from the comfort of your own home around your family. I'm skipping all the fake internet guru fluff and just giving you the straight facts on what actually works. Now, because I know you're incredibly busy and your time is very valuable, and let's face it, we never have enough hours in the day, right? You don't have to wait until the end of this video to get started. Right now, you can look down at the description of this video. Click the very first link in the description and grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint video. You will be able to get access to it immediately so you don't miss a thing. And if you have to jump off early to take care of life, that is exactly what it's made for. Now, let's talk about how to stop trading all your precious time for pennies. Makes sense, right? Before we even dive into the steps, let's just address the elephant in the room, the skepticism out there. I get it. There are so many empty promises online, and you've probably been buried or lied to before, haven't you? Your time is way too valuable to waste on theories. I thought the exact same thing when I started. Just look at these real numbers and real results. These are real messages on your screen right now. This is Sandy sitting there and watching a movie with her grandkids while a $1,400 sale pops up automatically. Look at Sabina hitting $1,400 Friday, just being incredibly grateful that a system like this actually exists, my friend. The people making this happen aren't tech geniuses, and they didn't have a massive pile of cash to start with. They are just regular folks who were sick of the daily grind and wanted a straightforward, honest path to breathe a little easier, my friend. Make life easier. This is real proof that a simple system works, and it runs quietly in the background while you focus on your actual job and your life, the things that matter. We all want something that actually works for once, don't we? Let's be completely honest about how the system is set up. The traditional 9-to-5 grind is basically designed to keep you on a financial treadmill. Think about it. They ask you to give up 10 hours a day to build someone else's dream, and then you're supposed to have the energy at midnight to learn coding or handle physical shipping boxes. And you know how it goes, putting in the overtime without getting the compensation for it. Have you ever felt like you're running as fast as you can, but your bank account stays in the exact same spot? It's exhausting, isn't it? If you feel stuck, it's not because you aren't working hard enough. You're working your tail off. The problem is that traditional online business models are way too complicated for busy people. Trading your hours means your income is completely capped by how long you can physically stand. Then you get hit with information overload from these massive 60-hour courses that just end up confusing you. And don't forget the hidden software fees, expensive monthly tools, draining your bank account before you make a single dime. To actually win today, we have to do things differently. You need a simple setup that does the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on what actually brings in money. Doesn't that just make sense? Look, I didn't just stumble into this strategy from some comfortable corporate offers or with a silver spoon in my mouth. Honestly, I grew up As one of 5 kids packed tightly into a small 3-bedroom house, I spent my entire childhood watching real freedom and family vacations happen completely from the sidelines. I watched other families go out, boat ride, motorcycle ride, do all the fun things in life while we stayed behind and at home because we could not afford it. You know how tough that is to watch as a kid, right? And when I entered the working world, I slipped right into the exact same loop, living as a severely stressed, overworked, burned out individual dad who felt like an absolute failure, staring at bills late at night while my family was sleeping. But I refused to let that be our permanent story. That's exactly why I built Empire Digest. My mission is plain dead and simple. Slice through the overwhelming, fake internet noise, filter down to what actually works, and give you a simple blueprint so you can build your online business without wasting time or money, digesting the noise, building your empire. That is my promise to you. Look, I want to make sure this video actually helps you, and I want to know who I'm talking to. I'm not some massive faceless technical company with 1,000 automated robots. It's just me, Errol, a regular guy here, a normal family man, average individual, nobody special. So do me a quick favor right now. Scroll down to the comments below and tell me, what is the number one thing holding you back from starting your online business today? Is it your crazy work schedule, not knowing what steps to take, or just pure information overload from all the junk on the internet? Go ahead and type it out below. I promise you, I will personally jump into the comment section and read your answers, reply, and help you out as far as I possibly can. We are all in this together to beat the grind, right? Drop your comment, let me know where you are at, and let's look at the big traps you need to avoid to protect your hard-earned money. Let's talk about the first big trap, the guru information loop. Have you ever wondered why most online business courses are 60 hours long and filled with fancy marketing words you need a dictionary to understand? It's completely intentional. They don't want to give you a simple, fast answer. They want to keep you just a little bit confused so you feel like you have to buy their next advanced mastermind or high ticket coaching package. It's absolute overcomplication. It forces you into deep analysis paralysis, and you end up getting stuck and never launching anything. Are you tired of buying courses that just leave you more confused than when you started? It feels like a total upsell cycle designed to take your cash, doesn't it? Hear me on this. If you tried and struggled before, it is nothing to do with your intelligence or your work ethic. The system is just set up poorly to make them win, not you. You don't need more raw data. You just need simple, honest steps you can finish in under an hour. Literally getting all your income earning activities done in 1 to 2 hours a day. Now, are you ready for something simpler? Now, let's look at the traps number 2 and 3, because these will silently drain your bank account and kill your focus before you even start making a dime. Trap 2 is the expensive software bloat. These internet gurus tell you that you need an expensive email platform, a separate page builder, tracking links, and fancy hosting. And suddenly you're out $300 a month in recurring fees because you haven't even made your very first sale. Doesn't it feel like everyone has their hand in your pocket before you even get off the ground? It's incredibly frustrating, right? And trap 3 is trying to do this completely alone, as a lone wolf in noisy public forums where everyone is just guessing and tearing each other down. It completely breaks your focus. Again, your past struggles aren't because you lack discipline. It's a predictable mistake caused by relying on these bloated, expensive tools. Once you walk away from that pressure and a clean, simple framework, the whole game changes. You're ready to stop wasting money on tools you don't need, aren't you? This brings us right to how this whole machine actually works under the hood, and it's honestly the most exciting part. Just look at the diagram on the screen. Now, I want to be 100% transparent with you from the start. I didn't create this program and I didn't invent the blueprint. I'm just a regular guy, a user, and a reseller who plugged into it because I was completely sick of spinning my wheels, losing money, and missing out on life. Here's how simple it is. The exact second someone drops the email address into the landing page, the complete automated system takes over. You don't have to chase anyone, call your friends or family, or manually send messages. The system automatically handles the email follow-ups and sends them out on your behalf. In that very first email, they get access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint video and a link to join our private community. At the same time, the funnel takes you to the thank you page, moves through the video breach page, and guides them straight to our sales page so they can look at the options and choose whatever program suits their needs and budgets best. The beauty of this automation is that it does all the heavy lifting for you. It lets you actually live and enjoy life, focusing on the things that really matter, like spending time with your family and just living life. Since a picture is worth 1,000 words, let me just share my screen right now and walk you through my personal dashboard, my results, and our main community visually so you can see how smooth it is. Now let's switch over to my browser right now and take a look on the inside. Now I'm bringing myself up on the screen right here, and I want to show you what it actually looks like on the inside and share some more results with you. As you can see on the top right hand side, this is me. I am logged in. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go over to the community, the main community. In actual fact, currently we are over 60,000 members, my friend, and we have 240 individuals or 246 individuals online right now. Now what I want to share with you is the wins tab. You remember the social proof that I shared with you right at the beginning of this presentation of Sabina and sorry, I can't remember the other lady's name right now. Now I'm going to click on the wins tab and I want you to see this. Now these are live verified results, verified wins, and they get shared daily. So what that means by verified is if the result is not true, let's say somebody logs into the community and they share that they've made $1,400 or a $900 or a $600 or $300 or a $100 sale, and it's not legit, the admin immediately removes it from the program because they need to be able to verify it to show it as real live social proof. Now look at this. This is Alana Sykes. She earned another $100 after her community webinar. It was posted 5 hours ago. You can see all these results were posted 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago. Hope during a struggle, so I decided to buy my $300 legacy program. Scrolling down, Bridget 6 hours ago, another $100 sale while she was in hospital. Sean van Zyl, blessings this week, another 100 USD last night while I was busy cooking. This week is just blessing upon blessing. For the 3 days, I made $500. She made $500 in 3 days, my friend. So, and I can continue. We've got pages and pages of results like this. Here's another one. 18 hours ago, $100. 19 hours ago, $100. Let's go down quickly. Here we go. Another 1 day ago, $300 sale. This lady right here, $4,930 so far for May, and a total of, and I'm not sure what this total duration is, but so far she's made over $51,000, my friend. Imagine that. So look at this, and I can go on and on and on. We've got over 36,128 pages, my friend. Results 1,000. Let's repeat that. 36,128 pages of results like this. So this is to show you that you are not alone. You are part of a community. Once you get access to this blueprint and you start making use of this blueprint, you will then get access to this same community of over 60,000 members. Now let me show you the back end of the program. This is the back end of what the actual program looks like. You've got the legacy builders, you've got digital mastery, passive daily pay, launchpad, and it's all created to show you how to earn 100% profits by selling digital products online, my friend, because you get to keep 100% of these profits. Now before we continue, I want you to look at this screen right now. Make sure that you pause this video, read this entire disclaimer, and let's continue along. So your final step today is simple. If you're completely ready to financially step off that financial treadmill, stop trading all your life for a predictable corporate paycheck or a flat hourly rate, and start building real leverage for your future, look down right now in the description and click the very first link in that description. Just enter your main email address right there to claim your blueprint video asset. The exact second you do that, my system will send a quick confirmation email straight to your inbox with your invitation to join our or my private community, as well as access to the video blueprint. This lets you connect with regular, like-minded people who are chasing the exact same goals and pulling in the same direction. Now you're ready to take action and change things up today, aren't you? Listen to me carefully. You need to check your spam and your promotions folder immediately once you've clicked the link in the description and you've entered your email address. Make sure to save my email address to your primary emails or whitelist me. So go ahead, check your spam folder, check your promotions folder, click the link in the description. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Blessings towards your successful future.